Alright. Oh, yeah. Let's do this final update here. We've got probably 3 or maybe 3 inches of snow overnight, roughly. I don't know if you can see this. We'll go down and try to turn around, but you can see where my wife shoveled, but not really, because the wind has been blowing like crazy, and that's going to be the issue today. I don't even know if I can get down through this. Look at this. Where the hell's the step at? It's pretty packable snow, but it's drifted like crazy. You can see how much snow has come since she's shoveled. Probably about 2.5, 3 inches. We're gonna walk down here to the road and see how bad the road is and the driveway. Oh, this is getting thicker as I walk. Oh, Christ. I'm in about 10 inches of snow right now. But like I said, about 80% of it is drift. It's just blowing everywhere. Without making this video too freaking long, we'll walk down here past the car and see what's going on. I don't know if you can see how it's drifting right there. It's still snowing a little bit. Not a lot. Oh, snow's pounding in my camera. It's still coming down. But nothing like, obviously nothing like it was. We'll walk down here and see if we can't take a look. Whew. It's probably about 11 degrees, 12 degrees right now. You can see how it's drifted around the car. The wind is blowing from my right to the left, obviously. Whew. It's cold out here. The cold and the wind is the worst part of it. Can't really see a whole lot either. Oh wow, this is really deep here. Yeah, this sucks. This really sucks. I don't know, you can see the road is covered, but plowed. It's been plowed a couple times, it looks like. But it's definitely covered with snow still. Oh, they've plowed us in real good. I'll be shoveling this crap, that's for sure. That's not that bad. Not as bad as it could be, I guess. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's probably about 2 foot, 3 foot wide, 2 foot deep. I can't get over the amount of no traffic on this road. This road, I mean, literally 35 to 40,000 cars go by total, you know, both directions combined, a day. For the last 24 hours, we've seen like 3, 4, 5 cars an hour. Here comes a car now. But that's where we're at anyway. Traffic's moving right along. That's State Route 460 right out in front of my house. Take a look around here. Back up the drive where I just came from. My house sitting up on the hill. The ducks back here inside their building with the lights on. Probably mad they can't come out. I'm sure it's all drifted up in there. Ooh, yeah, I'm going back. I just got done with cardio. Early morning, 4:30. Actually, it was almost 5 o'clock this morning. I did 43 minutes of cardio, however long Revolutions takes. That's what I'm watching on Netflix currently. And that's about that. I'll go in, throw a couple more logs on the fire downstairs. You can see that light right there. That's the basement window to the ExtremeLiving.biz home gym. Make sure you guys check the links in the description box below. Woo! Like, comment, share the video if you would. I'd appreciate it. Thought I heard another car coming, but I'm not gonna wait for him. I'm walking in about 13 to 16 inches of snow. And that is where, that wind will take your breath away. And that is where she'd already shoveled it once. Took off about 6 inches of snow. There's a plow. He's not plowing nothing though. VDOT, no plowing. What's he doing? Oh, he's putting down salt or gravel. Well, that just pissed me off. Apparently, you can't record in UHD, Ultra HD, for more than 5 minutes straight, which kind of just pissed me off. But anyway, you guys got the gist of it. That's the Dave Whitaker Extreme Living farmstead, homestead house. And I'm about to go turn up the heater, throw a couple more logs in there, sit by the fire and warm the hell up now. Appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And that's about it. The end of the 2016 Snowmageddon. Not as bad as I said, but you know, again, I'm from Youngstown, Ohio, where we get this stuff pretty much on a regular basis. Take it easy. Appreciate you watching. And I'll see you. Bye.